So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set the timer on your iPhone so that you can actually take a picture hands-free. So the first thing you want to do is obviously open your camera app and go to the photographic setting. Now at the top here, you can see this little arrow. If you click it, it brings down these other areas down the bottom. And all you need to do is choose this time one. And here you can see you can do a 3-second or a 10-second wait. So for this, I'm just going to do 3 seconds, but you can go ahead and do 10 seconds if you want. So click 3, and now it will give you the option of hands-free. So you can press it, get ready. So now it's actually taken the picture, and you can see the picture by clicking here on the left. You can see that I have my picture there, all nicely done. So that's how you can do the self timer for your photograph. And as you can see at the top right, you can see that it's set in 3 seconds. So now you can just click that and switch it off. So the next time you go into the phone, you're all ready to make a decision. My name's Anita Wong. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you have any other questions about using your iPhone, drop them in the comments as well. Bye for now.